Are you tired of seeing Copilot and AI features in Microsoft Edge? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to disable the Copilot button and remove Copilot from the new tab page in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Now, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left side panel. Find and click Copilot and AI. This section contains all the Copilot-related settings available in Microsoft Edge. Here, you'll see an option called Show Copilot button. Simply turn this toggle off. This will remove the Copilot button from the Edge toolbar. Next, the option called Copilot on New Tab page. Turn this toggle off as well. Now, Copilot will no longer appear when you open a new tab in Microsoft Edge. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Windows and technology tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.